Hello, and welcome to this new video in this training season, or series, not season, series, all about setting up a website. So here we are doing the GDPR. Now, GDPR is something that was introduced by the European Union, but it's a global thing. So even if you're in America or Asia or it doesn't matter. You've got to have a GDPR notice. Now, the good thing is it's really simple to do. So all you need to do is go to Add New. Now, you really must do this. I know that some people go, oh well, I don't live in Europe. Why should I bother? Well, because you should. It's as simple as that. Think of it. If you're an American, think of it as living in Europe and having to do your taxes even though you don't live in America or work in America. So we all have these organizations we have to live with. We can't complain about it. We just have to make sure we don't get into trouble. So look, this is the one you're looking for. Here it is. I've already installed it and activated it just to make life simple. All right, so let's go back to installed plugins, and I'm going to show you where it is. It's hang on, it's there. It'll already be it's already activated, so you do need to go into settings. So you can go to settings here or here. Now there's quite a lot, there's some lists here. I would just go straight here because it just makes things simpler, I think. So let's look at the website. So there it is, and as you can see, we've got our bar at the bottom here with cookie settings. Now this is the cookie settings. You don't need to do any of this. It's all done for you automatically. All right. This is accept, that your visitors will click if they're happy. And this bit I've done, which is an added extra, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, this general one, so you've got these tabs here, and then you've got these tabs underneath for each of these tabs. So show again tab, other. Now, okay, so read through them all. I'm not going to explain them all now because that's ridiculous. For example, show again tab, always put yes, because just so that your visitors see it again and again and again, so they have to accept again and again and again. That's how you don't get into trouble. The customized cookie bar. Sorry, I'm just taking a drink. That's better. Leave all this. Now here I've done this cookie link. Now I'll tell you what, let me take this out so that I can show you again how to do it. And actually I want to put it in a different place. As you can see, leave this for the moment as it is, or this text color, forget it. Now customize buttons. I would again leave all these as it is. I mean, it looks fine, it's good. Everything is working. This is the cookie settings. Leave that as it is. And then you've got the read more link. Now this is the bit I want to show you. First of all, I changed the color. You can do what you like here. I changed it so that it looks the same as the cookie policy one. The cookie link here, I would put it in your settings, this message, all right, so that people can see it. Just copy and paste it there, and then you'll get this, which is here, and you can see read more. All right, then the other thing you need to do is, once you've copied it, you'll have, what you'll actually have is a link. It'll be like this. Okay, in fact it'll be like this. to your home page. You want to change that. Now you've already done your privacy page, haven't you? So you could change it to there. Okay. However, wait a second, because I would do this, because now you've got a privacy page, a terms and condition page. Now look what we can do here. If you press shift and then click, a new page will open up. Okay, and this is a cookie policy generator. Now I have to say I like it. I like this a lot. So what I do is now, because this is free, one thing I like to do is I always like to click the button that gives a bit that tells people what we're using, because I just think that's nice. Now remember, we can muck around with this later, but at the moment this is all fine. Look at this, create cookie policy page. So just click that. All right, good, isn't it? Nice and simple. Now that we've got, okay, so this is the page. Okay. Now it says here classic edit and stuff. Don't worry about this stuff. Just leave it like it is. It's fine. Nobody will read it. Publish the page. Okay. Page published. Now remember we had menus, yeah? So if we go back to the website, we've got privacy policy, terms and conditions, earnings disclaimer, contact us. So what we want to put that cookie policy in there. So go to appearance, menus. Now here's your cookie policy page here. And this is the wrong menu. Look, this is the main menu. We don't want that. We want the top menu. Okay, so select that. Remember, yours might be slightly different, but you know, it'll be more or less the same. Now we've got privacy policy. So let's select this, add it to the menu, and then let's put it, where should we put it? Let's put it there. It doesn't really matter, but that looks quite nice. Remember to save the menu. Okay. Now let's go back to our home page. Let's do a refresh. And there's the cookie policy up there. Easy, isn't it? Now, what I want you to do is right click and copy the link address. Okay. And then you can close that page down. Let's go here, so we can close this page down as well. So we're now still at the customize setting. See, we're still in the same place. Now if you go down, and we want to get the cookie policy page, don't we? But notice it's not there, because what we need to do, we need to update settings. Now if we look at that, it's still not there. You need to refresh the page. So refresh the page with F5 if you're on Windows. I don't know what it is on Apple. Get to the right place again. Read more. Okay. Get down here, and then cookie policy. There you go. All right. And then update settings. So what does this mean for us? Well, it means that we're first of all, it means our website is completely legal now. You can relax in the safe knowledge that the European Union won't be sending the bully boys around to give you a fine. Not that they would anyway, but there you go. We've got the cookie policy, which is there, which is just a simple policy. Again, you might want to change this a bit. You know, make this bigger for a start. This is quite small, this writing, isn't it? But anyway, that's up to you. The point is, it's there. And if we look at our privacy and cookies policy here, okay, we got the warning. All right. Cookie settings, which is these again. Look, still the same. And we've got the accept button. So if people accept, it just goes like that. And if people want to read more, it opens up in a new page and we're at the cookie policy again. Okay. So it's quite easy. You don't need to worry about what cookies are or anything. We're now fully covered for pretty much everything, I think. You can do email marketing. You can do, whatever you like, really. You can do affiliate marketing because we've got an earnings disclaimer up there. So that's great. So well done. Now, that's pretty much it. But the next video, I'm going to show you how to publish a post. And I'm going to show you how to make it look nicer than this. All right? Like I said. So in the next post, in the next video, I'll show you how to do a nice post. And then what you can do is go back to all this stuff up here and change it to make it look nicer if you want. So that's it for this. Thank you very much for watching. Speak to you again soon. Bye-bye.